Alright, it's time to neaten up our design. Now we're going to get the tape measure tool out and make sure that this is consistent width the whole way. So I'm going to go down to the very bottom, and this will be our size that we want. So it's just 20 mil, 20.1. That's our guide there. So we want this going up the entire way. Let's check the next point. Now, that's 13.9. Bit of a difference. I'm going to click there, and also left click and click again and type in 20.1 and hit enter. That's where it is now. That's where it needs to be. We can also see that our edge, where it starts changing direction, isn't quite straight either. So I'm going to select that edge, move it down so it lines up there. Yep, so that's nice and straight now. And also push it out to that 20 mark. That's looking pretty good. Just needs to come down a bit more. There we are. Perfect. So now we've got a consistent 20 mil edge. Nice. Looks great. Same thing up here. Now we could taper this in, but I think a consistent size here would be good too. So tape measure, and we'll go from this part here to that part there. It's only 10.7, so let's type in 20.1, and there's our mark. Let's get our select tool, select the edge, move tool, push it out. Just doing it by eye here. Yep, very nice. Alright, very consistent. Alright, looking great. We could also argue that perhaps this inner edge could go in a bit more, but it's personal choice. Now lastly, just putting my eye here, it does look like that this part goes up like a slant, which is going to be difficult to work with. I think we need to stick to solid 90 degrees. So I'm going to double click on that part, select it, delete it. I'm going to redo it. I'm going to go to the rectangle tool, click once, and then very carefully make a rectangle like so. Get the push-pull tool, push that out until it clicks to the other side. Let's push that a bit more. Fantastic. Now that doesn't look right. We're going to give that a measure and see how long that is. We basically want to have measurements that don't involve floating points. So that's 440.8. We want to get rid of that 0.8 mil. So we've got nice, accurate comparts. So what we're going to do is get that push tool and push it in 0.8.